Why do birds fly in a V formation? Alright, imagine you're a bird, flying to 1,000 miles with your friends because, that's what you do. You're all in a V formation. And why? Well, first off, it's like the ultimate carpool lane, way less effort, more speed. The bird at the front does the top stuff, breaking through the wind like a champ while the others ride in their wake, chilling and saving energy. It's like being the first one to brave the cold water in the pool, and then everyone else just slides right in behind. Plus, it's a group chat on wings, everyone's in sync, no one gets lost, and nobody's flying solo. It's like teamwork, but with feathers and way less drama. Follow us for more fun facts.